Decent acceleration for a 4-cylinder in a vehicle this heavy. And I've been driving this for about 2 weeks, and I would definitely rather go with the V6, but I have a very heavy foot and I like to accelerate rather quickly out of corners. So for most people, this 4-cylinder is going to be fine. And not a lot of hesitation from the transmission trying to find that gear when you do need to accelerate. And even with these 20-inch gloss black wheels on, this is one of the smoothest rides I've had in a vehicle. And I think you're supposed to get 26, 25 miles a gallon highway in the 4-cylinder Blazer. But yeah, coming down the interstate doing 70, the ride is just fantastic. It's not too buttery and it's not rough. It's just perfect. And braking is, you have to put the pedal down just a little bit when you start braking, but once you get in the, get used to it, it's actually one of the best braking pedal feels you can have. And this does come with auto stop, but like I said before, it's 90 degrees out today and I've got the AC as low as I can without sweating, so it's probably not going to cut on. But I've had it the few days this week that we've had that have not been in the 80s, or if I leave for work in the morning, I've had the AC off and the auto stop works perfectly fine. And I'm looking at between 2 and 3 miles per gallon more on average within a 50-mile loop, as opposed to riding around with the AC on. And like I said, the acceleration on these is decent. I would have rather seen a turbo, but I guess Chevy did what it had to do for whatever reason. But I mean, the engine, it gets the job done. You wouldn't be doing anything crazy in one of these, but It drives like a 4-cylinder car, honestly. You're just not gonna see that 4-cylinder fuel mileage, unfortunately. But one of the best things about the Blazers, the new ones, is they just look fantastic. Like every time I'm driving it, I feel cool, you know? Especially with this black on black one. Got the LED lights, the 20-inch wheels. Just an awesome, awesome looking vehicle. And I can't emphasize enough just the smooth but controlled ride, whether you're on the interstate, back roads, whatever. And that's my review of the 2020 Chevy Blazer LT with the 4-cylinder.